What up, everybody? Sea Nerd here, and we are back in Cape Town. And we just got back 4 or 5 days ago, completing our sail from Ness to here, which took about 2 days. So yeah, we are well rested and recovered now, and I am back to making videos. So going through my footage, I decided that this week I wanted to show something, or show a little bit of like what happens when things don't go right. You know, so filming wildlife is never easy. They're very unpredictable, usually popping up when you're not ready, or there's equipment failure, or there's me failure, or whatever the case may be. But one of the limiting factors to my videos is that all the footage in them I take myself. So, which is why most of my animals are like from the intertidal zone or close to shore. That's about all I can get right now. But anyway, I try to get the best I can. And one of my favorite animals, the octopus, decided to pop up and surprise me when I was filming the seahorses in Ness. I just had the camera down there, focused on those guys, and did not even see, like right under my nose, there's like this giant red octopus. And I'm like, whoa, what's going on? Forget the seahorses, let's go after this guy, because it's like my unicorn of animals. Like I totally want to like catch them, or like just see them in the wild. And you know, like just seeing them with my eyes is great, but being able to show you guys what I'm actually seeing is even better. So anyway, that basically started my elusive mad hunt to try to catch this octopus that lived under the dock there. And as you'll see in the following clips, you know, a lot of times, well, most of the time, it didn't work out. So either equipment failure, or like I said before, me getting it wrong focus. And I'll just explain it as I go along. But then I did manage to we went snorkeling one day, and I did manage to get some footage of one exhibiting some really good camouflage. And we'll talk about that in the following video as well. So hopefully you can, you know, have a laugh at this video and just kind of like see that things don't always work out the way you want them to. But I am not giving up. There are some really amazing kelp forests here in Cape Town. And I've seen a lot of other people, you know, see some amazing, amazing wildlife under the surface. And so if I can get out there and go snorkeling, I think I'll manage to really see some amazing stuff. And hopefully I can show you guys too. Hopefully I'm recording. Hopefully I get the focus. I mean, we'll see. We'll see how it all turns out. But yeah, enjoy this. And yeah, next time, you know, hopefully things work out a little bit better. But at least this time you can have like kind of a laugh at the trials and tribulations that come along with making wildlife videos. So, hope you enjoy it, and until next time, catch you later. Bye. What up, peeps? Sea Nerd here, and literally an octopus just came out underneath my feet. I was just about to shoot this video, sitting here chilling, and then I see these tentacles, like right here, this guy. He's Yeah, so when we actually did manage to find and successfully film an octopus, we had been snorkeling in the heads in Ness, which is where the ocean flows into the lagoon. There's lots of marine life there. But it almost didn't happen because she was so well camouflaged. This is the point where I actually figured out, I'm like, oh my god. Cephalopods achieve this camouflage by using special pigment-containing and light-reflecting cells called chromatophores. These cells also contain muscles that, when contracted, allow more pigment to be visible, and when relaxed, pigment is hidden. So when they're swimming away, that pigment disappears. These cells are also attached to a nerve or nerves that allow isolated changes that allow the animals to produce complex patterns and shapes or textures. In the example in this video, the octopus is almost entirely unrecognizable as she morphs herself in to blend in with the surrounding rocks and algae. In fact, I thought she was a rock until I saw this siphon, that orange tube-looking part of her body, contracting. The siphon is how the animal breathes and also helps it move through the ocean by expelling water quickly in a term referred to as jet propulsion. Octopuses belong to the class Cephalopoda, meaning head-footed, along with other invertebrates such as squid, cuttlefish, and nautilus. Octopuses are considered the most intelligent of marine invertebrates and inhabit all zones of the ocean. Octopuses grow fast and unfortunately have a short lifespan. After the male transfers sperm to the female via an adapted arm, he soon dies. The female will then deposit her fertilized eggs into her den and use all of her remaining energy to care for them, which includes never leaving her den, not eating, and oxygenating the eggs by moving water through and around them with her tentacles. After her eggs hatch, she's out of there too. So if you're a bachelor or a bachelorette octopus, you could potentially have a longer, more fun life, just like real life. Totally kidding. Kids are super awesome, but octopuses are like way awesome. Hey, welcome back. As you guys can see just from that video as well, that last clip, it's not perfect either. Even if you do find the animal and you happen to have your camera on you, the focus is going in and out, the surge was so strong, the tide was coming in, I had a really hard time just staying planted in one spot. Yeah, it's part of it, it's just part of it, you know, it's how it goes. But it's so much fun, like, trying to make it, you know, because like making these videos, it forces me to like go out and search for these animals and search for any kind of like interesting wildlife, and to me that's reward enough just seeing it with my own eyes. So if I'm able to capture it and show it to you guys, then bonus, you know, super great. But it just goes to show you the whole point of like showing these other creatures is like, yes, of course the charismatic ones like dolphins, sharks, whales, we all want to see. I want to see. I still freak out every time I see a dolphin to this day. But it just goes to show you that just even just in your backyard, just tidal pools, you know, at the dock, go to the woods, check out any of your area and just look, just explore a little bit and take a closer look, and you can find so many cool things. Like, I think wildlife is just like super cool and amazing, and anytime I see anything, like any animal, I'm pretty much just like, you know, just totally fascinated by them. So you guys can do it too. There's no obstacles, you know, depending on where you live, but there's stuff everywhere. So yeah, check out your area, see what you can find, and just enjoy nature like I do. But anyway, as always, I had a lot of fun making the video. Like I said, it gets me out there, and it's just always a treat especially to find an octopus. So that was like my whole like game plan when I was in Ness. It was crazy. But anyway, yeah, I had a good time. So I can't wait to make another one to show you guys. And till then, catch you later. Peace.
They say I'm the slowest, but I ain't hearing that. I'm cool as long as homemade crab, don't know where I'm at. Camouflage is my defense, you can't see me. I look like my home, yo, is that Fred? No, it's just seaweed.